friends, today I have this new topic talking about what is karma and how it impacts and affects in our life. Impacts of karma, how it really works. So when you do some good karma is something that you do some work. When you do some good work, good task in life, of course, it benefits you. You can see that benefits, that if you behave properly or behave in a good manner with someone, you can yourself find that the connect you build a connection, that friendship may many times help you in the long run. It may help you in many aspects of life. This behaving good and being good with others, of course, always it helps, always. You may not understand it in the shorter run of life. Of course, in the long run you will understand that how it impacts, because no one likes bad people. Everyone loves good people, and this good behavior, this honesty, this trustworthy people, how they achieve their reputation, it's that their behavior leaves a mark on everyone's heart. Their behavior makes other people remember them. So this is what karma is. If you do, on the other hand, if you do some bad karma, or some people have done bad with you, it's a many common question. Even it was my also own question. I tried to find out this the solution to this question, that if someone is doing bad with me, so how I am going to deal with that. Well, how to deal with all of those bad stuffs, how to neglect such kind of people, I have given a lot of videos. You can find there with very different titles, like you can be away from toxic people, you can avoid manipulators. So how can you do that? I have made lots of videos. You can go and check my list, check my channel, you will find there lots of videos about that. So here I'll be talking about, if someone is doing some bad karma with you, how they are going to be affected in life. We think that this person has done bad with us, so why they are living so happy in life? The actual truth is that the person who is doing bad with you is not at all happy in his life, and that's why he is jealous, or that's why that person may be greedy, or that's why the person may be rude with you. Because it's not because you are bad, it's you are the good person, but it's that the person has some bad behavior within himself, and the person himself may not identify it. But the person in front of them should understand that the person has some problem. The one who is doing bad, the bad creator always have some problem. Otherwise, why the person is doing some bad thing? Because it's in their mind, in their heart, it's their process of thinking, or it's their perception that the others are bad. Or it could be that they are trying to do something in a shortcut, which is not easy. And shortcut techniques are mostly the fraud types, or making people fool. So this kind of techniques, with these people try to achieve their target in a shorter time. So this kind of bad things people do, and what happens is, other people with whom the things have been done, they remember this and they try to keep away from this person. So this is the karma. Here it starts. When you are behaving with someone, you are behaving good, you are behaving properly, that person is always going to remember you. And maybe no one knows, in the long run, whenever you need that person, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So it's better to, if you want to secure your tomorrow emotionally and mentally, of course you have to have that good behavior. Even if you find yourself in bad situation, you have to understand, you have to analyze the situation. I have lots many videos, I have explained it very vibrantly, that how you can deal with various situations of life. And in future also I'll be posting lots of videos about that. So you have to be good with yourself and good with others, and you have to be understanding, you have to be active, you have to be good, you have to be clever, not greedy. You have to be good, but not destructive. So this kind of people who are toxic and negative people, they are destructive mind, and the person who is destructive mind, they destroy everyone's life, their own life also they have destroyed somewhere. The problem is that we don't understand, we fail to analyze, we fail to understand that these persons are already have destroyed their own life, whatever they have got in life. These things we fail to understand. The reason for this is we are not attentive to those tasks they are doing, those karma they are doing. We only see that they have done bad with us and we are crying on that thing. Actually these persons are doing bad with themselves also. If you thoroughly analyze, you will understand these persons are of no good, they are not at all good anywhere, so nothing good happens with them also. And when they see something good in you or some good things happening with you, they feel jealous. So the reason is simple, they are not good at all, and whatever they are bad doing, they are doing bad things today with you. Of course they are living that thing, they are experiencing that thing. You can see that if someone is lying to you or doing bad with you, they have this fear that you will speak it to some where in the public place, or you will tell it to somewhere in the public place. They have this constant fear within themselves. So these are the things that they are insecure, they have fear, they have guilty feeling. So everything they have this guilt trip, but they don't try to correct it. This is the problem. They instead go into ego, they instead go into more greedy purpose, they instead go into being more jealous and being doing wicked things, etc. They don't want to be humble. This is their problem. They have a constant tension in their mind, so this is not a healthy life they are having. So this is what is karma. And you can see, if you are attached with some person who has been negative with you, if you are attached with that person for long run, you will find that slowly bad things are also happening with him. The universe is creating the situation or doing negative things, that vibration they have being negative with you today, so that vibration of course works tomorrow. So this is how the karma works. This is what is the law of karma. If you do something good, you will get good. If you do something bad, you will get that bad. The reason is that if you do something good, that vibration, good vibration, positive vibration gets out of you and it emits, it reflects. And the same happens with the negative thing, that negative vibes emits, it reflects. So this is what is a karma. So this is the reason why we need to do good work, why we need to be good. And the disadvantage of being bad here I have explained to you. So friends, I hope this was helpful to you. You have got a clear idea how karma works, because it was also my question a few years ago, that I am doing good things to people and few people are being bad with me, and I was so much sad that how to deal with this, why things are going wrong with me. So of course I understood this whole law, and today I have explained it to you. So friends, I believe this was helpful to you, and please friends, do watch videos from my channel and try to understand to live a better life. Thank you friends, bye bye, I love you all.